Okay, so let's set up the break-even definer. Now, once you download the file, go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL5, and toss it in this Experts folder. And then when you go back here and refresh, it's going to show up. You're going to have this file right here. So what you want to do for this demonstration, we're going to do USD Canadian. So you want to just pull and drag this over to the file and turn these on. And then we'll get into the settings here. So what I'm going to do is just apply this to the chart first. So you'll see this chart pop up. Now it's already giving me a break-even price and it's saying number of trades. Well, what's that? 3 trades. Well, we got 3 buys and 5 sells open. And why is it doing that? Well, the buys are here. If I switch this to manage sell orders, it's going to give me 5 orders and then recalculate the break-even price. Now we haven't set a take profit or a stop loss yet. So that's basically how this works. Now, if you want to manage buy orders and sell orders, so we've got sell orders on this chart, we can go over to this chart, throw it on there, and now we're managing buy orders. Okay, so now we're managing the 3 buy orders on this chart, and we're managing the 5 sell orders on this chart. That allows you to manage both of those. But for this purpose, we're just going to focus. I'm just going to remove this from here. We're just going to focus on this one here, so you just understand the settings. So we look at looks like our sells are all in profits and our buys are in some losses. So let's switch this over to buy for losses. Okay, and to make sure that you're running this, you want to make sure that algo trading is on there, and then where you put it here, you have that checked. If you turn this off here, it's going to be off. So it's got to be checked here and here. Otherwise, this is not, it's not going to work. Now, so this is on. So we got number of trades, 3. So let's get into the EA. What are the settings? Magic number, you don't really need to worry about that unless you're running your own bot and you want to manage a specific bot's trades in a buy direction, then you put in the bot's magic number there. So if you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. For following my bots, you're just going to manage your buy or your sell directions. Include swap and commission. Yes, if you want to calculate that in your take profits, then you want this to be enabled true, not false. Show comments. This just turns on and off this chart. So if you do want that chart to be off, set show comments to false or turn it on, right? Obviously you want it on. It's nice to see it on the chart there. Okay. Now let's get into order management. So you can close all your orders now. You can close all your pending orders. The bot doesn't really have pending orders, but you can use this for manual trading or trading with other bots if you want to, you know, set take profits and those kind of things. So you can close out these orders in deposit currency or account percent. Now, take profit and stop loss are kind of the meat and potatoes beyond your trade direction up here in the general settings. So take profit, it's pretty simple. You can set your take profit in pips, account percent, or account amount. So if you want to take profit at 10 pips profit, you just put 10 in here. And we see our take profit line up here, right? So that's at 125,279. If I go in and I change this to 5, it's just going to recalculate. Now it's at a different price and it shows you your take profit price in the chart, as well as the break-even price as the prices fluctuate. Now a stop loss, same kind of thing. I want to take a stop loss at, say, 10 pips loss. Okay. Now it recalculates. There's my stop loss. See, now it's closing everything out because I set the stop loss below where things were lost. So it just took the loss right away at that point. I should have set it further down. So let's just open up a couple more buy orders just to get some open. And let's go into the stop loss from where we placed it. Where are we? Yeah, let's set it to 5. So we place these orders around here. Now our stop loss is down here and our take profit is at this level based on where those orders were placed. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This, if you're in a basket of trades and say the STT connection disconnects and you want to go to sleep, well, you can throw this on the chart and you can have those manage. You can turn your copier off and let this manage if you're wanting to get out and cancel your bot or for whatever reasons. This is just pretty handy on there. Now, this take profit is green and the stop loss is red, and the break even line, which is yellow, it's a little hard to see here. These are just the colors at the bottom. So if I want to change that stop loss line to, you know, let's just say we want to change it to this deep pink color. Now it's changed to that color. If we want to change the take profit from green to deep pink as well, which you might not want to do, but you can change that so maybe it pops a little more on the screen for you. Whatever you want to do, you can change the colors of those. But that's really the premise of this bot. It's going to just help you manage the trade direction you set right here. So if you want to manage buys and sells, then like I said before, do your buys on this chart and then this chart here, drop that EA on there and set it for the sell position, and you're good to go. That's really all there is to it. If you have any questions, jump in the Discord and people and myself will be happy to help you out. Cheers.